Spark. So I finally found the switch here to pull off the front cover. Just covered in dust. I mean, surprised it works, but actually the hard drives were here. So I guess there's two here. And here's the inside. There's one processor, 32 gigs of RAM. I was expecting there to be two, but there was only one. And then, not sure what that is. Probably the RAID controller, and it goes to this. The drives are here. Let's see. Oh, it's so gross. I already installed Windows 10 on this. So let's see what we have. There it is. It said 800 gigs when I installed it, so so it must be a RAID duplication setup. I forget what that's called. It's been a long time since I've done this. So there's the second one, so whatever you do on this one gets mirrored to that one. But it works. So Windows 10 is installed. We're gonna get some drivers in there. And now that we know that it works, we're gonna clean all this up and then we'll show you it when it's done and see if we can sell it. So here it is after a little cleaning. If you see these holes, every single one of those holes was plugged with dust. Cleaned them all. And we got 2 SSD on the RAID, and now we're booting into Windows 10. So here's the server all cleaned up. Finally got all the dust out. It's a Poweredge T430. It actually had, inside it had twin 800 gigabyte Intel, some sort of super fast SSD drives, which I sold. So that was $80 out of this freebie. And this works. I installed Windows 10 on it. Haven't really done anything else with it. I'm just gonna post it for sale as is, but if I get anything for this, it's just gonna be gravy. This has a twin 1100 watt power supplies, redundant, RAID controller, hot swappable hard drive bays. Pretty cool. I would use it if I had space, but this is gigantic. But it works, all for free.